this is Roman Toy Genius, and I got the Ionix Jr. Paw Patrol Adventure Bay box set from Nickelodeon.
Awesome! So are we going to open it up and see what's inside?
Yes.
All right, let's get started.
There's tons of blocks in there.
What do we have on the front of that bag there?
We have Skye, Chase, the whale, City Hall.
Awesome. All right, let's open it up and check out these blocks.
Also, these that you can do. So, let's get started.
All right.
First, we have to zip this up. Then open it.
So it looks like in this set we're going to get Super Spy Chase, the Whale, Skye, and City Hall. Alright, so who are we going to get started with first? We have all of our colors separated from blue, pink, brown, green, gray, black,
and even white and red. Let's get started. We're starting first with the leg. Then we put this on Chase's legs.
Alright.
Then we put his pup pack. I have a Chase sticker, so that's where we're going to put it. We put Chase's head on. Then we put his hat. Ta-da!
This is our finished Super Spy Chase. Let me check him out. Wow! Chase is on the Super Spy case with all these awesome blocks from Ionix. What do you guys think about him?
It looks cool. We build next. No, we can build Skye.
Let's go. Let's build Skye.
Not that piece. Maybe it's this piece. Yeah. There. Ta-da!
And now we have our finished Skye. Let me check her out. There she is, guys. You may have noticed that we already had stickers on our blocks. This video won't show you how to put the stickers on the blocks because we've already done that before we made the video. But no need to worry, the instructions will show you exactly how to put the stickers on. Right, Roman?
Right.
Who are we going to build next?
Marshall.
And one word of advice for putting on stickers. Let a parent help you. I know Roman, Toy Genius, he wanted to put on all the stickers by himself, but you have to perfectly align the stickers and put them on the exact right way, because if you take them off and re-stick them, they start to fall off. And then you kind of have to tape them on to get them to stay on. So that's the only part that made this set a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
Who are we making, Marshall?
Yes.
Wait a second. Marshall didn't come with this set, did he?
No.
He came with a different set.
Yeah, he came with the other Ionix set over there by the TV. But for now on, we're not going to put that in there. We're just going to put that in there. Tapping. Forward or backward.
That's right, guys. We just realized that we have some blocks mixed in with our Ionix set that don't go with this set. So we apologize. But I do want to tell you this other set here, which is the Construct-a-pup Rescue Marshall. We're going to be doing our next video on this set. And you will get to see us build Marshall, Chickaletta, the fire tower, and also, what else?
These two blocks.
These two yellow blocks. I'm not sure what they are. So to check out our next video, click that link below that says Construct-a-pup Rescue Marshal video, and you will be able to watch that video as well. So next we're going to make the whale. And that's the last part of his tail. Let me see our whale. Check him out, guys. I'm not exactly sure what video he's from. Do you know what episode he's from?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol Save a Whale?
Mm-hmm.
I think so. He's really cool, and he looks like maybe the easiest character to put together in this bunch, and with the least amount of stickers as well.
Yeah.
So last but not least, guys, we are going to build the City Hall.
This is going to be tricky.
Yeah, it took us a while to figure out this one, guys. So let's see if Roman can do it in completion. Matter of fact, we had to look up another awesome video from YouTube where we actually were shown how to do this by another YouTuber. And we'll put the video link below. And there's your finished City Hall. We put on the bell and now we're done. Looks awesome. So today we built Super Spy Chase, Skye, the whale. I believe that's from Pup Save a Whale. I think that's the episode. And the City Hall where Mayor Goodway lives. So we hope you guys loved this video.
My next video is Construct-a-pup Marshal.
Awesome. Do you like building this set?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about building this set?
Chase.
You liked building Super Spy Chase?
Yeah.
And what was the hardest part about building this set?
City Hall.
I agree.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Our secret password is City Hall. CITY is city. HALL is hall. So type City Hall in the comments, and that's why we'll know that you know how to spell City Hall. Okay guys, that's all we have today. We'll see you soon. Bye!